Looking to purchase a property and being confused with some of the terminology? Maybe your friends or family have suggested that A, you need a LIM report, and B, a property file. Now, what is the difference? Hi, my name is Hayden and I'm a specialist property lawyer here to help you achieve your property goals. Okay, now first of all, a LIM report is a summary of all the information the council holds on the property. Now you just have to be a little bit careful here, because before 1991, when the Building Act was introduced, the council was under no obligation to keep a full set of records. Now the type of information what's included on the LIM is basically a summary. So it'll be maybe if the council's aware of any type of soil issues, where and the placement of all the public utilities what run in the area. So this could, show that there's a wastewater pipe running through your property. So it only shows where all the public utilities are located, not your private sort of drainage utilities on the property. So you've got to be a little bit careful of this one. Also, a very good thing it shows is the zoning for the area. So it shows a sort of overlay from the Auckland's unitary plan, and it'll show what zoning is your property, and importantly, it shows the zoning of the surrounding properties. So you have to be quite careful if you find out that your neighbouring property is zoned terrace housing apartment zoning. This could mean that, a big apartment could be built right next door to your property, blocking your light and your privacy and things like that. You just don't want it. Also, the LIM will show if the council is aware of any sort of unauthorised works on the property, and if they've sort of, they've issued notices to the owner, about a notice to fix. Now, what is a property file and sort of when would you need it? A property file is a sort of more detailed information of what the council holds on the property, and it sort of sets out sort of things like any correspondence between the owner and the council. This wouldn't really show up on a LIM. Also, it sort of gives more detailed information about building consents and resource consents and things like that. So if you're looking for sort of the as-built plans, or you're looking for the communication what went back and forth with the council, then the property file's for you. The property file will also show sort of all that correspondence when you've had a dispute with the council, or if you've asked the council to do things, if they've asked you, to sort of fix something. So if you're looking at a property and you think, maybe there's some unauthorised works, or maybe you just want to see what the council has discussed with the vendor, then the property file's for you. My suggestion is for first-time buyers is that a LIM report is the best document to get. All you need to do is activate the LIM on the front page, and this will give you 15 working days to get a LIM report. I've included the link below to the Auckland Council website where you can order your LIM, or the agent might give you one. Now, if you want further information about LIMs or property files, or any questions you may have, please do not hesitate to contact me, and I will see you soon.